Thank you, Honourable Chair. Al-Jamaa moves without notice that the House notes with concern the public display of the Zionist Israeli entity's flag at public spaces. Further notes that the flag represents a regime whose laws are entrenched in apartheid policies. Recognizes that this regime practices apartheid against the indigenous population, the Palestinians. Further recognizes that the Supreme Court of Appeal has unanimously ruled that any gratuitous public display of the old South African flag constitute hate speech, unfair discrimination on basis of race and harassment in terms of equality legislation. Agrees that the Zionist Israeli flag represents the same oppressive system we as South Africans and justice-loving people throughout the world fought against. Further agrees that there is no place in South Africa for any flags, emblems or memorabilia which promote apartheid activities. Calls on the House to take further steps to ban the Israeli flag. I so move.
I now put the motion. Are there any objections?
I stand with Palestine, but as a Christian, I can
Honourable
never
members.
allow
No,
our
Honourable Member, I have not
flag to be
recognized
banned.
you. Honourable Member, I have not recognized you. I simply ask if there's objection. I've recognized the objections and the motion is not agreed to. That settles it.